What's up, guys? Welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. We got a quick video for you. It's just a news article that we read. We just found it, and I thought I'd bring it to you. So we're not going to take a lot of your time. We're just going to run through this really quick. So pay attention, folks. Let me read this. 5 Tennessee police officers fired and 3 suspended after probe revealed several department sexual escapades, including three-way relations. Oh, what? Don't tell me they were doing this on tax dollars, right? The LaVergne Police Department has fired 5 officers and suspended 3 others over allegations that they participated in several intimate relationships and sexual escapades. Officer Megan Hall, and I'm guessing she's the badge bunny with the badge, is said to have engaged in a sexual relationship with fellow officers Patrick Magliocco, Larry Holliday, Juan Lugo Perez, Sergeant Lewis Powell, Sergeant Ty McGowan, and Detective Seneca Shields, according to an internal inquiry. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6 dudes right there. Whoa! These incidents allegedly occurred at hotels, on a boat, and at gatherings one of the police officers organized. On several occasions, Hall allegedly engaged in a sexual relationship with both McGowan and Shields while on duty and inside city-owned property. It was alleged that Hall gave both men at the police station. Additionally, she is accused of exchanging nude photos with Holliday, Magliocco, McGowan, Shields, and police officer Gavin Schoberl. I think that's how you pronounce his name. On December 12th, the mayor of LaVergne, Jason Cole, launched an investigation after receiving a tip about Hall's intimate relationships with several of her co-workers, as well as a threesome she had with Magliocco and his wife. Whoa! This one just keeps getting spicier, huh? Both Magliocco and Shields, along with witness Lieutenant David Durham, admitted that they were aware of the sexual relationships and explicit photo sharing. Alright, folks, so that's the article. This is what's happening with our tax dollars. This is what we're paying for. If this is what we're paying for, I want my money back, folks. You know, I was never really about the whole defund the police stuff. I really never really understood it. The whole term defund the police never really made sense to me. I did get some explanations, and the explanations seemed to be good ones. But at the same time, that whole term, defund the police, never made sense. You know what does make sense? If this is what's happening in the police departments, I want my money back. I know it's hard to say that, but in reality, those of us who have paid a tremendous amount of tax dollars for policing, this is not what we're paying for. So this happened in LaVergne, Tennessee. I did put the phone number there for you guys. I put the department up there on top. That way you guys know exactly what's happening. That way this kind of stuff doesn't get swept under the rug. And I also want to keep in mind that a lot of times police unions allow these types of police officers to go work in different areas and different departments. And I hope this video and this news article and this story follows them throughout their careers so that they're actually not able to work in departments. Because if, let's say they go to the next town over, are the taxpayers there going to fund this type of behavior? It's absolutely disgusting, folks. In reality, I don't really like to judge on what people do on their off time and inside the hotel rooms and stuff like that. That's none of my business. In fact, I think that adults should do what they want to do, regarding that kind of stuff. But when it includes our tax dollars and it includes the people that we entrust to protect and serve, right? This is it's pretty disgusting, folks. And like I said, when this kind of stuff happens, I want my money back. All right, folks, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell too. Peace.